satellite offices na mawawalan ng trabaho. Marami-rami din yun. Pero
How many are you looking at, ma'am?
Approximate lang ito sa akin, 200 kasi hindi ko na maalala yung exact number. 200 contract of service personnel. So, karamihan sa mga satellite offices. Meron din dito dahil malaki din yung operations ng National Capital Region or Central Office that we call OVP dito sa NCR.
So just in case, pwedeng i-close yung ibang satellite offices, ma'am, kung hindi may babalik yung natin.
Yes, ma'am. The closure of satellite offices is a possibility depending on the budget that we get in the GAA.
But how will it affect, ma'am?
Anong ginagawa ng satellite offices?
How will it affect kung may magkakaroon ng closure?
How will it affect? Well, mahirapan kami